I hope you're ready to see all of the books coming out in the month of September. Now the question is, which ones am I getting? We're starting off September with a cozy little book, and oh my goodness, this one has such a total mood. The pages are filled with little bookstores, and the illustrations are actually based on bookshops in the UK, which is even more special. So if you love the cozy vibes and the slow, mindful coloring, then this book is worth checking out. I'll have the links to all the books below in the description in case you want to add any of the books to your own private collection. This next book is like stepping into a cartoon zoo. It's got sloths, it's got balloons, cuddly foxes, otters, cats, koalas, and just plenty of playful and heartwarming creatures. The illustrations are hand-drawn, and the book opens flat so that it's super easy to color, especially if you like to get creative without any page flipping hassles. So if you want a book that brings instant smiles and keeps your hands and your heart busy, then this is your new go-to book. This next book is quite magical. The pages are full of animals carrying tiny worlds on their backs, swirling flowers, and dreamy underwater scenes. So if you love whimsical and nature-inspired art that feels peaceful and creative, then this book is going to be a treat for you. Hollow Earth is like entering a secret underworld of alien jungles, reptile swamps, and mysterious caverns. It's wildly imaginative and totally trippy, and perfect if you want your coloring to feel like an adventure beneath the Earth's crust. This next book, you can almost stop and smell the roses. Each page features beautiful blooms paired with their symbolic meanings like love, hope, and joy. It's lovely, especially if you enjoy floral designs that carry a little message with them. These mandalas blend two moods, and that's being pages that bring peaceful balance and doing pages that spark creativity. It's like coloring your way to inner strength and gentle energy. Now we're drifting through Color the Seasons, and this one just feels like a year-long hug. From spring flowers and buzzing bees to snowy cabins and pumpkins in the fall, each page is sweet, cozy, and escapes into the changing seasons. Perfect for the relaxing moments and warming your heart for coloring. Now we're stepping into Mystical Worlds, which is a magical escape filled with dragons and castles perched on impossible hills. It's bold, it's whimsical, and perfect if you want your coloring adventure to feel like a dreamy journey into another world. Next up is the Mindful Year, and this one's like a full year of calm in your hands. You'll color through seasonal sketches paired with nature-inspired quotes for every week of the year. It's like a gentle reminder and a mindful journey that slows everything down. Perfect for peaceful coloring breaks. Now it's time to get adorably spooky with sweet and scary. Think sweet Halloween characters and playful spooky scenes, cute little pumpkins, smiling ghosts, and charming costumes. It's the perfect mix of cozy and quirky to celebrate autumn nights with a big smile. Now it's time for some cozy coloring. Think wizards, fairies, and fairy tale moments in big, easy to color pages. It's perfect for those lazy afternoons when you just want something sweet, simple, and utterly relaxing to color in. Next is Spooky Academy, and you are absolutely going to love this one. Just imagine wandering through a magical school year alongside a pumpkin, spice, and a bird, with dragon-guarded libraries, candlelit feasts, armor, and mythical creatures around every corner. If you were a fan of the Highlights magazine when you were growing up, then this coloring book will probably be one of your favorites. It's like the magazine sprang to life in wild forest scenes. There's hidden creatures, secret treasures, and those calm, cozy vibes that we all love. A coloring adventure that brings back comforting childhood feels. It's a Hidden Pictures coloring book. This next book is for book lovers. Just imagine curling up in a reading nook, coloring cozy shelves and literary quotes that feel like a hug from your bookworm soul. It's handcrafted with love for anyone who gets the magic of stories. If you like romantic novels, then this coloring book will be like stepping into your own fantasy novel with your colored pencils. Expect dragons, star-crossed lovers, and enchanted thrones. Perfect if you want your coloring time to feel dramatic, dreamy, and full of love. If you love the winter season, then this is a festive little escape filled with snowy cabins, twinkling trees, and cozy winter scenes. It's cheerful, calming, and perfect for getting in the holiday spirit while sipping on your favorite hot drink. This book has a moody twist on cozy living, but just think enchanted cottages, wild forest, and mysterious mushrooms with a soft gothic vibe. Perfect if you love something a little magical, mysterious, and totally relaxing to color. Now you might be thinking the title of this book sounds so cute, and yes, it's as cute as it sounds. The pages are full of whimsical bunnies, tiny dragons, and magical little adventures. It's sweet, it's quirky, and perfect if you want something fun and lighthearted to color. This next book is a magical collection filled with whimsical fairies, tiny forest creatures, and enchanting woodland scenes. The artwork is so detailed and so dreamy, perfect if you love fantasy pages with a soft, cozy vibe. And it's already getting that time of year when you should be getting in the holiday spirit. This book is filled with cozy winter cabins, twinkling trees, ornaments, and festive scenes that make you just want to grab a blanket right now and a cup of hot cocoa and start coloring. Now, when you see country, western, Christmas, you automatically know it's going to include cowboy boots, decorated barns, twinkling lights, and cozy country charm mixed with some Christmas magic. It's perfect if you want something merry with that country western flair. This book is packed with charming, inviting scenes from warm reading nooks and cozy little kitchens to peaceful garden hideaways. Perfect for unwinding, sparking creativity, and bringing each page to life with your favorite colors. Up next is the Fourth Wing coloring book, and fantasy fans, you're going to love this one. It's packed with dragons, epic battles, and magical academy vibes. It's perfect if you want your coloring time to feel bold and adventurous and full of action. Well, that was quite a lineup for the month of September. There were a lot of new beautiful releases this month, and honestly, it makes it really hard picking a favorite. But if you grab any of these, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what everyone's coloring. I'll put all the Amazon links down below so you can check them out easily. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video. Well, that was quite a lineup for the month of September. There were a lot of new beautiful releases this month, and honestly, it makes it really hard picking a favorite. But if you grab any of these, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what everyone's coloring. I'll put all the Amazon links down below so you can check them out easily. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.